Hi, my name is Felipe and I'm going to talk about working in evaluation of the quality of the welding process using speckle interferometry. Currently, visual inspection is one of the main techniques used to evaluate the welding process. As the name implies, visual inspection is an inspection carried out by a person looking for discontinuities in welded materials. The main problem with this approach is that the inspection becomes dependent on the individual that is doing the inspection, and as each person has a different sensibility to light, these results may vary. One alternative to this is to use speckle by reflection. Speckle is a branch of physics that evaluates the behavior of the interference pattern produced by the interaction of light with the surface. So, by shining light into a welded sample and recording the interference pattern produced, we can create a graph of the interference in relation to the position of the weld. And comparing these graphs with another one made from a reference sample, we can decide on the quality of the weld.
Hi there, I am Daniel Toffoli, a professor in FATEC Taquera, a college based in São Paulo, and I'm a member of the Group for Optics and Applications. In this group, we develop activities related to extension and research in optics, of course, and we use photoelasticity, speckle, and holography. We have published a paper in Revista Brasileira de Física Tecnológica Aplicada. So if you are interested in one of these areas I mentioned, please take a look at our paper and feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.
I'm Professor Sidney Leal. I'm coordinator of this research group. The group started in 2013 with the aim of helping undergraduate students with difficulties in basic physics. In 2014, the group started to carry out research work and publish the results in scientific and technological magazines. In 2017, the group was renamed the Optics and Applications Group and officially became a unit research group of the FATEC Taquera. Group researchers are professors, scientific initiation students, students with course completion work, and interns. Our pattern chips are Institute of Physics of the University of São Paulo, Institute of Energy and Nuclear Research, and Optical Group of FATEC São Paulo. We are open to new pattern chips and collaborators. Okay? Thank you.